Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Drive and creating a new doc, sheet, or slide right now. Pick a template when you need structure, or a blank file if you want total control. Once created, name the file immediately to avoid losing track, and open the Share dialog to add collaborators with editor or viewer rights. Make sure to enable link sharing only when necessary, and choose Comment Only for feedback. This prevents accidental edits while keeping everyone in sync. You now build content using tools best suited to each app. In Docs, apply heading styles so the outline and navigation work. This speeds editing. In Sheets, enter formulas, freeze header rows, and add filters. Once formulas return expected results, use conditional formatting to highlight trends. For Slides, edit the master to enforce fonts and colors, place images using alignment guides, and keep one consistent layout per section. Once done, review flow. You finish by preparing deliverables and validating everything. Export to PDF or Microsoft formats when recipients need fixed layouts and preview exported pages. Make sure linked Sheets data updated in Slides before exporting. Use version history to label milestones and restore earlier drafts if needed. If collaborators report missing edits, refresh the file and check your internet connection. Then confirm share permissions and try clearing cache. If problems persist, duplicate the file and re-invite collaborators to force a fresh copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.